everyone, welcome back to my corner. Today I'm super excited. I just received the November 2022 Crazy Cat Lady box. It just arrived today, so I'm super excited. So I just finished work. The day was kind of bad and the week was kind of bad, so I'm super happy that I'm finishing the week with a box. Super happy to unbox this. So let's see what we have. Before I open the box, don't forget to like the video, subscribe if you want to follow me, and don't forget to leave a comment down below. Ooh. So let's see the card first. So this is a little drawing of a cat sleeping on like a blanket. Okay, so we have all the items in the back with the prices. The featured cat lady artist is Natsa. I don't know what happened here, but okay. So it's Natsa. You can see her work. Where? I'm not sure, it doesn't say. It says like at @Nats_Natsa, but it doesn't say where. Maybe Instagram or something? Not sure. Oh. Okay, so let's begin. Can I please? Okay, so thank you. Let's see what we have. Ooh, nice. Okay, so the first thing I see, it says perfect pumpkin with catnip. Oh no! Look at what Nico did. Nico! I'm gonna hide it from him. So, oh, they are so excited. It's crazy. Wait. I'm gonna approach everything because, okay. So as I was saying, the first thing is a toy. It says perfect pumpkin. And it's like a pumpkin-like toy with some feathers. It has catnip. It's really pretty. I really like the fabric of this. It's super cute. It's greenish, and I think the cats are going to love this. They are so curious today. It's crazy. Okay, so I'm gonna continue because I don't know what's going on. I don't know what's going on. Okay, the next thing I see is this. It's like wait, I'm forgot to tell you the price. So the toy, the pumpkin, it's $4. That's not expensive. Okay, so this, it's like how do you call that? Clips. I think it has magnets. It's really cute. So it's like a bluish, and see there's like a magnet. And the other one is black. It's plastic. Cats are crazy. Okay. So it's like clips. Oh, it's very strong. That's cool. Hey, I just realized it's the first time you see me with my new hair. I already have roots. I didn't do a video. I did my hair in September and I didn't do a video with my real hair since, which is kind of weird. Where's the cardboard? Okay. So the cat, oh, okay, cat chip clips. So it's for your chips. I love chips. So it's gonna be perfect. So it's $10. Nice. So I think it's gonna be perfect because it's kind of, like I said, it's strong. The magnet, maybe it's just to put on your fridge when you're not using them, I guess. So let's continue. Next thing says, live, laugh, leaf. Live, life, leaf. What does it say? This happy little sign says it all. Live, laugh, and most importantly, loaf. Oh, loaf. What is loaf? So it's just a little sign. Okay. Says $5. Oh, it's a toy. I thought it was something to put like on your wall or something, and I thought it was kind of weird. I don't think it's the type of things that I would put on my wall. It's super small, but it's a toy. Oh. And I think that's why the cats were kind of going crazy. I think it's because of this one. So I don't know if there's like catnip inside, but I'm gonna hide it for now. Okay, next thing. Cat lady dish towel. Open it. It says dry your people paws or dishes. Okay. Oh. Okay, it's kind of thin. I'm used to use, I don't know what is the material, but it's heavier and it's not as thin. I don't know how well it's gonna dry dishes, but I'm curious to use it and to try it. It's super cute. The cats are angry at each other today. What's going on? Okay, so I think this is super cute. That's the type of stuff that I like buying these kind of stuff for the kitchen and stuff like that. So I'm super happy to have this. This is $12. It says Chef Kitty's dish towel, $12. Nice. Okay, let's continue. Next thing I see is the t-shirt. Wait. So it's a purple. It's really pretty. It's a v-neck. And it says, home is where the cat is. Oh, that's cute. It's super cute. It's a very pretty color. It's a very pretty design. You know, that's what I was talking about when I got the t-shirt that was saying something, but there was no design around it. This is the type of stuff that I was talking about. So the fact that home is written like that and is where in a ribbon, and then there's a cat, and you know, like there's a design around the saying. So I think that's super cute. I will wear this, so this is really nice. And there's a v-neck, so that's perfect. Perfect. Cool. Okay, so last item, I think, is Yeah. So this is the last item. I'm gonna let her get in the box. It says cat vase. Wow, that looks pretty. That looks very pretty. Can't wait to see. Oh, there's a tape. Sorry. Cannot open it. Sometimes my cats don't get along. Tonight is one of those nights. Sometimes it's because of the catnip. She has attitude, and he's kind of like, how do you say that? Dominant. So it's pretty well wrapped. Oh, this is cute. Wow, look at that. This is so pretty. There's like riveted here. I think this is just... This is beautiful. I'm sorry, I'm just like speechless. This is kind of heavy. Wow. Does it say anything? Doesn't say anything. See the card. It says black cat vase, a simple cat silhouette with just a touch of sparkle. It's $22. Doesn't say in what it is. I think it's ceramic. Like, I'm not sure, but this is so pretty. So pretty. Look. Now I'm impressed. Okay? Like, wow. Okay. I see you, cat lady box. I see you. So for the value, the t-shirt was 23, the vase was 22. The dish towel, the 2 toys, I think it's pretty good. I think it was a pretty good box. Yeah, I really love the vase. I think it's my favorite. I really love the dish towel. Like I said, I'm not sure if I'm gonna use it as like for dishes. I don't know how absorbent it is. It's really thin. Like, I don't know if you can see, but it's pretty thin. Like, I don't know. I'll try it. See, she has attitude. Are you okay? Are you okay, Bibichon? It's okay. It's okay. He's just sleeping next to you. Good. It's okay. Alice. So, this toy, I'm happy it's a toy because, as I said, as a sign, I was kind of confused. But if it's a toy, then I understand. I'm gonna let them rip it. Look. And the little pumpkin is super cute. I really love the design, so yeah. She's licking it. Hey, Timmy. Come on. Gimme. Gimme. Oh, wait. Oh. It's the same color as her. Did you see? Same color as her. Hello. Ow! Yeah, you didn't hurt me, Annie. You didn't hurt me. She's like, no, it's mine. Oh my god. I think it's a head. I mean... So anyway, this is it. I'm super happy about the November box. I think it's a pretty good box. And yeah, so that's it. Jesus Christ. Okay, give me. I don't know what's going on. I think it's the catnip, but I'm not sure. Hey, Nino. Kush. No, Kush. I have no idea what's going on. Anyway, so as I was saying, that was the November unboxing, and no. Come on, no. Okay, so I'm gonna finish this video at one point. Okay, so this is it. If you like the video, like the video, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel. Have a great day. Bye bye.